May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention hearing item 22 and 23, Your Lordship. I have some personal difficulties, Your Lordship. I have taken the counsel to respond if the matter be listed on 9th of May, Your Lordship, for hearing.
Okay. As prayed for by Mr. TV
Yami.
and counsel for the petitioner. And on the consent of the other side, list is matter after on 9th May.
Lordship.
Okay.
Obligation.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yeah.
Just to mention item number 3, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, here I was instructed to bring a document, like one document, Your Lordship. However, Your Lordship, the person concerned is on election duty and we couldn't able to furnish. So another 2 weeks may be granted.
Okay.
And for the petitioner also.
Okay. Mr. Moazami, counsel for the petitioner is present. And you are for?
Respondent number 4.
Okay.
BJ.
Okay, Miss Devika, Lanet Government Advocate submits that she was to present one document before this court. However, the person who was to produce the document is on election duty, due to which the said document could not be collected, and prays for some more time. The prayer is allowed. List is matter after
2 weeks, sir.
3 weeks. Mr.
And Moses.
And counsel for the prayer. Respondent number 4 is also present. Okay.
Obligation.
Your Lordship, I also beg to mention item number 14.
14.
Yes, Your Lordship. Here I'm here to file my counter affidavit. Another 3 weeks may be granted for filing counter.
Okay, Mr.
To show along, my lordship.
Land counsel for the petitioner is present. Stop. Ms. Livika, Lanaka, government advocate, prays for prays for 3 weeks time.
Lordship, let it be 2 weeks, since it's just a limited, I have just a limited prayer in the petition.
Is it okay?
Your Lordship, it relates to minimum scale of pay, Your Lordship. So
Okay.
it will take time. No?
For filing counter affidavit. The prayer is allowed. List is matter after 3 weeks.
3 weeks, Your Lordship.
Yes, 3 weeks.
Much obliged.
Lordship, I may be allowed to mention for item number 15, Lordship. I just received the affidavit in opposition this morning, Lordship.
Okay.
Allow me 3 weeks' time to find my reply if necessary, Lordship.
Okay. Mr. Longkumar, Land counsel for the petitioner submits that he has just received a counter affidavit filed by the respondent government and prays for some time to file reply, to which Miss. Okay, land counsel for the land government advocate has no objection. Stop. The prayer is allowed. List is matter after 3 weeks. 3 weeks. Okay.
Obligation.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
I beg to mention item number 6 and 7 on behalf of S. Mary, Lordship. If this matter can come up after a week, Lordship.
6 and 7.
6 and 7, Lordship.
Lordship, a date may be fixed in that case.
7, I think the police has already filed
No, Lordship. No,
in 7.
neither in 6 nor in 7, no charge sheet has been filed.
The final report, I think, have already filed.
No, Lordship.
No, not yet.
It has been submitted on the earlier occasion by the public prosecutor that the charge sheet has been filed.
No,
We have made,
it was not a charge sheet. It was a final report, it appears.
yes, Lordship. Now, we have made inquiries before the trial court below, Lordship. But no information till date regarding
What
filing
else?
of any
Just-
final report.
Just see, item 7, just let me see. Where is the record? Not in this.
We were intending to
Not
file
this.
appropriate interlocutory applications,
Okay,
placing
not
on
this.
record the final report, Lordship. If only it was filed,
Okay.
but it has not been filed till date.
Okay. So you are praying for?
For 1 week, Lordship.
For what? For producing record. For what?
Lordship,
You
I
are
have
praying
no
for what?
instructions,
Huh?
Lordship, I have no instructions, Lordship. So if this matter can come up after a
Okay,
week.
Mr. Setianga, Land Council for the petitioner is present. Miss, her name, huh? Land addition, your
Next step.
additional PP. Appearing as
Additional
additional
PP, Lordship.
PP. For the state of Nagaland, praise for listing this matter after a week. 1 week.
Lordship, if it
When?
can come up on 4th of April.
Okay, he's also present, huh? He
Uh,
is also
4th
present.
of, 4th
Is
of May.
prayed for by the Land Council for the state respondent. List is matter on
Oh, yeah.
4th,
Lordship. on 3rd May.
3rd May.
Yes, Lordship.
Then we will say, is prayed for by the Land Council for the parties. Huh? List is matter on 3rd May. Okay,
Deeply obliged.
Lordship, I also like to mention item number 10, Lordship.
10.
Then on behalf of Pichano, Lordship. Kindly grant me 3 weeks time to file my counter.
When?
3 weeks, Lordship.
2 weeks time.
3 weeks.
3 weeks
Yes.
for filing counter.
Lordship. Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of which comment number 4.
You're 4. Yeah, you have already filed.
No,
You are also praying for.
yes.
Okay. Mr. Paseko Forte, you have any objection?
No, Lord.
Okay. Mr. Paseko Forte, Land Council for the petitioner is present. Miss
Esther.
Land Government Advocate and Miss
Ayalonji.
for the state, huh? And Jen for respondent number 4. Praise for how much time is it? 3 weeks time to file counter affidavit. The prayer is allowed. List is matter after 3 weeks. Okay.
Lordship, I also beg to mention item number 12, Lordship. On behalf of S. Mary, Lordship. If this matter can come out after 2 weeks. On behalf of S. Mary.
Okay.
And for the petitioner, Your
Okay,
Lordship. There's no
Mr.
objection.
Yes, Mr.
I am Chen, Your Lordship.
I am Chen, Land Council for the petitioner is present. Miss, you are appearing on behalf of?
S. Mary.
Appearing on behalf of S. Mary, Land Senior Government Advocate.
Lordship.
Praise for 2 weeks time to file counter. To file counter affidavit or what?
No, for hearing, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Hearing. Readings have been completed.
So this is in the admission list.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You want this to be listed in the here?
No, it can be disposed of at the admission stage itself.
Admission
Your
stage. Okay, praise for 2 weeks time. Huh? The prayer is allowed. List is matter after 2 weeks. Okay.
Much
Much
obliged.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 4. Lordship. Lordship, if 2 weeks may be granted to be Lordship, I've taken the concern for the state respondents.
Counter.
2 weeks.
You want to file counter?
Lordship, if needed, Lordship, because I've already sought for instructions.
Okay. Mr. A. Moji, Land Council for the petitioner, praise for
2 weeks.
adjournment. And to be praise for adjournment of the case for today and to be listed after 2 weeks. Miss So-and-so, Land Government Advocate is present, as prayed. List is matter after 2 weeks. Okay.
Obliged, Lord.
May I please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 16, Your Lordship. Here I'm yet to receive instructions. So kindly grant me some time, Your Lordship. It may be listed after 3 weeks, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of the council for the petitioner, Supongwati.
Okay. Miss,
Upang Nanlalongcha.
appear on behalf of Mr. Supongwati Waling. Supongwati Waling, Land Council for the petitioner. Stop. Miss,
In the holy, Your Lordship.
okay. Land Government Advocate, praise for 3 more weeks time to file counter affidavit. The prayer is allowed.
Your Lordship, I'm yet to receive instructions.
Oh, sorry, to obtain instruction and to file counter affidavit. The prayer is allowed. List is matter after 3 weeks.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes,
I beg to mention item number 8.
8.
8, yes. If this matter may be listed after 2 weeks for admission hearing.
Okay. No objection.
No objection.
Okay. Miss,
Vicky Hino.
Land Council for the petitioner prays for listing this matter after
2 weeks
2 weeks
for admission hearing.
for admission hearing, to which Mr. Sekopati. Then Council, year 4,
I'm for respondent number 4.
respondent number 4. And
State.
Ms. For the state respondent has no objection. The prayer is allowed. List this matter after
In June. In June.
2 weeks. Stop. After
After 2 weeks, there's
2
the
weeks, stop.
improvement.
The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date. Okay.
Lordship, I'm for respondent number 6. My apologies. Respondent number 6.
Okay. What is for respondent number 6? Huh?
Bless my lord.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 11. I'm yet to receive instructions, Your Lordship, so let the matter come up after 3 weeks.
Okay.
I'm appearing on behalf of Supongwati.
Okay. Miss so appear on behalf of Supongwati Walling, Land Council for the petitioner. Miss,
AIME for state respondents.
okay, for the state, appearing on behalf of the state respondent, prays for 3 weeks' time to obtain necessary instruction stuff. The prayer is allowed, necessary instruction to file and to file counter affidavit. The prayer is allowed. List this matter after 3 weeks.
Lordship,
Okay.
3 weeks, Your Lordship.
Yes, 3 weeks.
Please, Your Lordship,
Yeah.
I beg to mention here in item 21, Your Lordship.
21.
Please, Your Lordship. I pray this matter be listed after 2 weeks. I have taken the consent of the other parties, Your Lordship.
Okay. So, confirm. Okay. Miss
Reiterate,
Land Council for the petitioner prays for listing this matter after
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
2 weeks. Stop. Mr. Moamchan, Land Synagogue Government Advocate, is also present. Stop. Is prayed, list this matter after 2 weeks. Okay. Yes.
Please, my lord.
Yes.
Lordship, item number 13, Lordship.
1-3.
1-3, Lord.
Yes.
Lordship, here I'm yet to receive instructions. So can you grant me 3 weeks' time, Lordship?
Okay.
Lordship,
Mr.
there's an interim.
Okay. Mr.
Yakasumi.
Land Council for the petitioner is present. Stop. Mr. Angami, Land Government Advocate, prays for, submits that he is yet to receive instruction and prays for 3 weeks' time
Lordship, Lord.
to obtain necessary instruction and to file counter affidavit. The prayer is allowed. List is matter after 3 weeks. Stop. In the meantime, the interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date.
Nice, Lordship.
Okay.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 19.
19.
Yes, the notice still awaits for respondent 2 and 3, so kindly fix the first 2 weeks.
You are for?
Petitioner.
I see. What did you say?
Lordship,
You want these to be listed after
3 weeks, Lordship.
3 weeks?
Yeah, notice still awaits.
Oh, notice still awaited.
Yes, for respondent 2 and 3.
Okay. Mr.
Yeah, please.
Land Council for the petitioner is present. Mr. Angami Lana PP is also present. The notice upon the respondent number 2 and 3 is still awaited. List is matter after
3 weeks.
3 weeks. Okay.
Much obliged.
May I please, the Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 9, Lordship. Item number 9. I'm for the respondent number 2 to 7, Lordship. Lordship, we are yet to file affidavit in opposition, Lordship. So, Lordship, may please grant another 3 weeks' time.
So no one appears on behalf of the petitioner.
Lordship, I'm for respondent number 10.
Okay. Santengar is?
I'm for respondents 1, 2, and 1, 8, and 9, Lordship.
Okay. So the petitioner will be appearing today or informed? No,
No, Lordship, he is not present in the court.
today.
Yes.
Maybe in court 1? No.
Perhaps so, perhaps so.
Okay. Mr. So all of you are praying or only Jimomi?
Lordship, 2 weeks time, we also be granted to us to file our additional affidavit.
Okay, you are also
I've
praying.
already filed.
You have already filed. Okay.
Yes, Lordship.
Mr. A. Jimomi, Land Council for the respondent number 2 to 7. And Miss
Viketsono for respondent 10.
for respondent number 10, prays for further 3 weeks times to file
Additional affidavit.
additional affidavit. You are also going to file additional?
No, no, no.
Okay. Then Mr. Jimomi for 3 weeks time for filing additional affidavit in opposition and Ms. So for filing additional affidavit, huh? 3 weeks, huh? Both.
Lordship, my presence may kindly be reflected.
Yes, yes. Mr. Santianger, Lana Council for the respondent number 1, 8, and 9 is also present. As prayed, comma, this list is matter after 3 weeks.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Lordship, I'd like to mention item number 20, Lordship.
20.
20.
Yes.
It's in the order. However, Lordship, as far as state respondent is concerned, we are yet to file affidavit in opposition. So if Lordship may please go on another.
You're for the petitioner.
Petitioner, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Your Lordship, a respondent, service report on respondent 9 is still awaited.
Okay. Miss
We can sort of.
Lana Council for the
I am appearing
petitioner
for respondents 1, 2, and
is present. Start, huh? Mr. Santianger, Lana Council for, you're for respondent
1, 2, and 3,
or appear on behalf of, respondent number 1, 2,
and 3.
and 3.
I am also yet to file my affidavit. I have similar prayers.
Okay. Okay.
Rest assured.
Okay, Mr. Santianger, Lana Council for the 1, 2, and 3, and Mr. Jimomi, Lana Council for, you are for state respondent.
For the state response.
State respondent prays for 3 weeks, further 3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition.
Lordship.
The prayer is allowed. List is matter after 3 weeks. There is an interim.
No, Lordship. Respondent 9 is still
Okay.
awaited.
Just the record reveals that the notice upon the respondent number 9 is still awaited. In view of the above, list is matter after 3 weeks. Huh? That bring down. Okay. Yes.
Obliged.
Not obliged.
For motion, item numbers 1 and 2.
May I please the Lordship? Lordship, I've been informed that the record has been sent it to the to this honor
This court.
to this court, Lordship. And Lordship, this morning I have received instruction from the Lotteries Department, Lordship. There is I want to submit a written submission, Lordship, written statement, Lordship. There is some serious allegation against the accused petitioner, Lordship.
Okay.
And Lordship,
Serious allegation against the
Lordship,
Okay.
by filing this the instant criminal petition.
But in any case, the trial court has already protected the applicant.
Lordship. So if Lordship, this matter can come up next week, Lordship, so that since
Since you
have
are
already-
protected, you are being
Lordship,
protected
I
by
have
interim.
objection as far as the
Hmm.
seeking time is concerned, Lordship. The written statement is not relevant in this case, Lordship. It should be taken care of at the time of trial, Lordship. My concern and my limited prayer in this case is that for 438 1B, it is not made effective by a way of a notification by the central government in the Gazette, Lordship.
This is IAA.
Lordship,
That
I'm
is-
ready.
this-
Yes,
this present
there are two IAs, Lordship. There are two IAs, Lordship.
That prayer for dispense of your appearance before the
Yes.
trial court
Yes.
at the time of hearing bail
Lord.
is
Lordship.
13,
12, Lordship.
12.
13 is the amendment in the prayer, Lordship.
Okay, amendment allowed.
No, Lordship, it is pending, Lordship. I have filed.
Amendment
Lordship.
to the main petition.
Main petition, Lordship, only in the prayer, Lordship.
Hmm.
My prayer in the IA for amendment is only pertaining to the presence of the applicants before the sessions, Lordship. At the time of hearing, Lordship.
12.
Yes, Lordship.
So whether it is required, not required.
Lordship. But Lordship, I would like to submit a written submission, Lordship. If Lordship may allow me to place a written submission, Lordship.
Okay.
That is with the petitioner council, they want to educate the matter today, Lordship. Lordship, there is a serious allegation against the petitioner council, Lordship. If Lordship may kindly come to page 2, 1.3, Lordship. This
1.3.
1.3, Lordship.
Yes.
If I am allowed to read, Lordship.
Yes, please.
The petitioner has filed 3 affidavits, one in the main petition. This is the main petition, petition number 12 of 2024, dated so and so. The second IA and the third is also an IA. Alarming discrepancies having emerging regarding these affidavits. Firstly, the signature of the deponent varies significantly between the affidavits dated 6/4/2024, 15/4/2024, as well as the IS 13 of 2024 dated nil, casting doubt on this authenticity. The affidavits dated 6/4/2024 is notably devoid of the petitioner's signature, raising concern regarding its authenticity. Instead, it appears that someone else has signed the affidavit on his behalf, suggesting potential unauthorized representation. This discrepancy weakens the credibility of the document and warrants further investigation into the circumstances surrounding its execution. The department possesses numerous records, including the petitioner's signature, which can be utilized for comparison and verification purposes. Moreover, affidavit filed in IA number 12 and 13 of the present IA of the 2024 are not even identified by the advocate. Lordship, there is a serious allegation against the present petition which was filed by the accused. Lordship, going through the record, Lordship may kindly come to page 20 of the criminal petition. So, Lordship, in order to ascertain all these signatures, Lordship, since the lower court below has sent the records, if
Yes.
Lordship, this is the scan copy of the signature,
No, page 20.
page 20 of the criminal petition, Lordship.
It's
Criminal petition 12 of 2024.
signature of deponent.
Deponent, Lordship.
Atul Bokia.
This is the petitioner number one, Lordship.
Petitioner number one.
Yes.
So, Lordship may kindly come to the written written submission, page 20, Lordship. Same page, written submission, Lordship. Signature,
Written submission.
written submission, which
Page
page 20, annexure 1,
have not paginated.
not annexure 1, annexure 1,
Yeah.
affidavit, if my lord has got it,
Yes.
and right, left, right button,
Page
deponent, name, Atul Brokria. It does not tell you with the affidavit which was filed in the criminal petition and the
No, this is the Xerox copy of this affidavit of page 20.
page 20, Lordship.
So,
And Lordship may kindly come to the IA which they have filed, Lordship.
IA 12.
Sorry for indulgence, Lord.
IA.
Yes.
The signature which my letter friend has just referred to, it is the signature of the same respondent, Lordship. His name is written at the top and his signature at the bottom, Lordship. There's no discrepancy, Lordship. And it is exactly the same signature of the same.
Lordship may kindly come to the IA petition,
IA 12.
page 5, page 5.
12. IA 12.
IA, I have not stated here. Filed on 22/4/2024. IA 12.
IA 12.
IA 12. IA 12. Page 5.
This IA also has not been paginated. Oh. Why not paginated? Affidavit.
IA 12 of 2024.
12, 2024. Yes, affidavit.
Yes, Lordship. deponent here the signature in IA as well as in the main petition lordship.
Hmm. What do you want to show?
Which does not tally lordship. If
Which one?
lordship may kindly look at
Yes.
the page 20, annexure
Yes,
I of the
yes.
criminal petition, as well as the IA 12 at page 5, the signature which does not tally lordship.
Signature seems telling. Which
It is
one?
Exactly the same, Lordship.
Which one is
In fact,
not telling?
My learned friend is wasting the.
Up there, above the deponent, it is a full name. That is a full signature.
Full name, but lordship may kindly come to the
So,
bottom.
come- come down,
Yes,
come-
yes, lordship.
Yes.
So lordship, if we look at this, it does not tell you lordship.
Which one does that tell you?
The IA 12 of 2024 as well as the petition does not tell you.
It is the same, Lordship.
It seems the same.
Lordship, and since I don't have the present IA which was filed by the council, lordship, if
See the original, see the
I
original.
can serve a copy.
Seems the same. Even here also.
What do you mean the IA, Lordship? It is just that I have the petition has written his name as well as his initial, Lordship. Otherwise, it remains the same.
So lordship, on the last occasion, this honorable court has directed to produce the scanned copy of the record, lordship. However, as far as the instruction,
Lordship, my learned friend may be allowed to convince this honorable court. Otherwise, making allegations against the council, Lordship.
Then this,
They should verify it
IA
before filing
13,
it, Lordship.
IA 13.
My learned friend cannot take
No,
this
yeah.
court for a ride, Lordship.
no lordship.
These are serious allegations, Lordship, without proper verification, Lordship. SCG order should be passed, Lordship.
So in that view of the matter, lordship, let it come up next week, lordship.
For what reason, Lordship?
13, of course, looks something.
Since the lower court below has also produced, they have submitted the record, lordship. So in order to ascertain, lordship. Since lordship, the instruction that I received from the department is this morning only I received the instruction, lordship, to make an objection with regard to the present instant petition, lordship. So if lordship may please to list the matter next week, lordship.
Next week.
Next week, lordship, since lordship will be here, lordship. So that I will satisfy this honorable court, lordship, on the next day.
Yeah. So the case,
Also, I have serious objection.
case before the trial court is fixed on 29.
29 on Monday,
But
Lordship.
lordship, since,
Where is
since
the
the report has been placed before this honorable court, lordship,
Yes.
so record must be here, lordship.
Where
So
is, where
they
is the
cannot-
impugn order in
And
that?
Lordship, there is no necessity because
Yes.
my contention before this honorable court is only on the question of law, Lordship. And it is very much settled. I'll satisfy your Lordship.
Where is that order? Impugn order?
Page 66, Lordship.
Oh, no.
In the criminal petition, Lordship.
No, that is in the main.
Main,
So
yes,
let us take up the IA where this, your appearance, you are praying for the.
Yes.
Your appearance has been directed.
I
IA
12, Lordship. Yes, sir.
12.
I 12, Lordship.
Have you annexed the impugn order?
No, Lordship, I have not been. I have made a statement, Lordship, in my IA that at para 2, the facts and grounds mentioned in the petition may kindly be treated as part and parcel of the stay petition, Lordship. So if I may be allowed to adopt the amendments made in the.
What is prayer here?
My prayer, Lordship, Lordship may kindly come to page 4, Lordship.
You have not paginated this one. Right? Okay.
My apologies.
Yes, yes.
My apologies. Prayer, Lordship. It is therefore most respectfully prayed that your Lordship may graciously be pleased to be accepted and allow this criminal petition during the pendency of the above miscellaneous petition impugned order dated 28/3/2024, passed by the learned sessions judge Kohima, Nagaland in I 341 of 2023 in respect of the present petitioners may kindly be stayed.
IA 12 and IA 13. What is 13?
13 is for amendment of my prayer, Lordship.
Amendment. Okay.
In the main petition, Lordship.
Okay.
I'm aggrieved only by the personal appearance before the sessions, Lordship. At the time of final hearing, Lordship.
So in the main petition, have you made a interim? What is your interim prayer? Have you made an interim prayer also there?
Yes, Lordship.
Lordship.
What is
I
the
have nothing
interim
to
prayer?
query.
The same, Lordship, as
Pending. Okay.
prayed in the IA 12, Lordship,
Okay.
for stay of the impugned order, Lordship.
Lordship.
Okay. In IA 12. Heard Mr. Moazem, land counsel for the applicant. Also heard Mr. V.Z. Momi, land PP for the state of Nagaland. Start now. Mr. Jimomi, Lana PP, prays for listing this matter
Next week, Lordship. Next week. Anytime. As
Mr. Jimomi,
connected to
submit, sir. Yes, you have obtained instruction already.
Lordship, this
Okay.
morning only.
Okay, he has obtained instruction this morning. And you want to file any?
We will be filing, but we will be arguing, Lordship. Since the record,
Okay.
this morning I have received the
And
instruction
pray,
from
pray for listing this matter next week.
Lord.
Stop, huh? Yeah.
any convenient for the main
That will be in the main, I think, main case,
main case.
not in 12, huh, then. Okay. Only after hearing, huh? After heard. Para. This application has been filed by the applicant. Petitioners. Under section 482 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973. For staying of the impugned order dated
28 March 2024.
28 March 2024, passed by the learned Principal Session Judge Kohima, Nagaland, in IA number 341 223 in respect of the present applicant. So there are some other petitioner accused also.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay, you are for only for in
1
respect
to
of
6,
this
Lordship. 1 to 6.
1 to
6, Lordship. They are altogether 7 accused persons. 6
No, you are
reported
praying
to-
on behalf of all the 6.
Yes, Lordship. All the 6, Lordship.
Okay.
Their names may kindly be recorded, Lordship.
In respect of the present petitioner,
H2.
Shri Atul Bokria, Mahendra Bokria, Avinash How do we pronounce it?
Jodia, Jodia Lordship.
Jodia. Arvinder Pal Singh,
Lordship.
Raman Anand, Rahul Misrilal Bodhara. Okay, that is why, so his objection is that he has signed all this affidavit on behalf of all the petitioner,
Yes, Lordship.
Mr.
And the allegation is that the signature does not tally, Lordship. Lordship, by this written statement, he has questioned the integrity of the council, Lordship. Necessary orders must be passed, Lordship.
No, Lordship.
Without proper verification, he has filed, Lordship. He cannot take this honorable court for a right, Lordship.
Lordship, this is the instruction that I received this morning, Lordship. We have not filed, we have just made a submission before this order.
He is an
That is-
agent,
that is
Lordship.
our submission.
He has to verify before filing it, Lordship. He is a
No,
council,
that-
Lordship. Being an officer of this honorable court, he cannot file in this manner, Lordship. Necessary orders should be passed, Lordship. Costs should be imposed, Lordship.
Lordship, that is the instruction that I received, Lordship, and that I have placed before this honorable court. That written submission has not
Leonard
been
Friend
filed.
has to verify before filing it.
No, Lordship, that is the wrong interpretation by the council.
There is no interpretation required here. He has to verify it and file it, Lordship.
Wrong submission. That is our submission, Lordship.
Being a council, you should maintain the integrity.
So,
He has questioned my integrity, Lordship. Necessary orders should be
just a
passed.
minute.
No, that is the instruction.
Just a minute, just a minute. The impugn order is at page
66, Lordship, in the main petition.
66. So, and where is the interim order by which you have been
Lordship, yes, Lordship.
granted?
Order
interim
dated
anticipated
19/12/2023, page 57, 57, Lord.
5/7.
19/12/2023, Lord.
5/7.
57, Lord.
Okay.
57.
So by this, all the applicants, accused applicants are protected
Lordship.
by the same order.
Yes, Lord. Yes, Lordship. It's a common order, Lordship.
It's common order.
Yes, Lordship.
It is submitted. The land council for the petitioner submits that by an order dated 19/12/2023. This is the first order, or
Yes, Lordship.
okay, thereafter it was extended.
Yes, Lordship, on 2 occasions.
Okay,
By order dated 2nd February and 28th February.
just a minute, just a minute. Order dated the Lanet Principal District and Session Judge. Granted. An anticipatory bail to the applicants for 45 days with certain conditions. Now, on the condition, that the accused applicant appears before the eye of the case within 45 days. And that the applicant shall not directly or indirectly make inducement, threat, promise, or any other acquainted to any person acquainted with the fact of the case. And to execute a bail bond of rupees 20,000 in the instant of his, in the event of their arrest. The said interim anticipatory bail was subsequently extended by an order dated
2nd February 2024.
2/24
And subsequently on
and
28th.
subsequently on
28 to-
28 to 2024. Stop.
And finally,
How-
the review order, Lord.
However, So the charge sheet already,
No, Lordship.
no, sorry, not yet filed. Okay, however, by an order dated in the same petition,
Lordship.
okay, however, by an order dated 28, however, by an impugn order dated 28/3/2024, the accused applicant, while fixing the next date for bail hearing on 29/4/2024, the accused applicant has been directed to where is the direction to be
Lordship,
pressed?
at the bottom of page 66, Lordship. Page 66.
Last paragraph.
Petitioner
The
is
accused
directed to appear before the court on the date of final hearing.
Lordship.
Stop. Stop. Para. So in the main petition, you are agree by this only or?
Yes, Lordship, only this order, Lordship. Only
Okay.
this order. And not the entire order, Lordship, only the present appearance, Lordship. Otherwise, interim has been extended, Lordship.
The main petition also?
Yes, yes, Lordship.
Para. Where is your submission that this provision under 430,
38 1B, Lordship.
31 1B is, where have you submitted? That it
It's
is
yet to
not,
be brought in force, Lordship.
where have you stated?
My
It is
grounds,
submitted
Lordship.
that
My
the
grounds.
provision under. So this was directed under provision under so and so.
If you look, Lordship, may kindly come to page 15, Lordship, the grounds.
Page
15 in the main petition, Lordship. The grounds.
Okay, it is submitted that the provision under section 438 1B of the Code of Criminal Procedure so what the said provision provides,
Says for personal appearance at the time of hearing, Lordship.
which
One-
provides for personal appearance
Yes.
of the accused person during the
At the time of hearing,
at the time of hearing the bail petition.
Lordship. Final hearing, Lordship.
At the time of final hearing of the bail petition is not maintainable in law in as much as that the said provision has not yet been brought into force.
Yes, Lordship.
That is the submission.
So what is your submission here in this?
Lordship, on the last occasion, I have prayed before this honorable court to get a necessary instruction from the Lotteries Department, Lordship. And this morning I have received the instruction and they have vehemently object to that, Lordship. So in order to ascertain and to go for a final disposal.
Mr. Jimomi, Madam Counsel for Mr. Lani PP for the state of Nagaland, submitted he is yet to obtain necessary instruction in this connection, in this regard, and prays for listing this matter next week.
Next week, anytime.
In view of the above, list is and is prayed for by the Lani PP. List this matter
Next week, Lordship, anytime.
next week. Start. Para. In the so next week it would be after 29 only.
After 29.
Okay.
So,
In the meantime,
In the meantime,
The appearance of the accused applicant. Before the learned principal district and session judge on 29/4/2024. Is dispensed with.
Lordship.
Stop. But then only appearance. The bail
Lordship,
hearing will be done.
Lordship.
If it is rejected, your case gone.
Yes, Lordship.
we will argue in the mental.
Okay, list is matter. Next. When?
Any convenient day.
Next week.
At the convenience of this honorable court.
Okay. List is matter after a week. Okay.
My respectful submission, if some observations is made in the written statement, Lordship, some allegations
No,
are made.
Lordship, this is the
Not
instruction
not
that I
necessarily
received this
now,
morning
because
only, Lordship.
because he
And
has
Lordship.
filed this on the.
But Lordship, I want to
probably-
probably matter
probably-
next week, but
Probably,
they want to
just,
take
just
up
show
the
them,
matter.
just show them whosoever has instructed you, show them. Probably the signature is not the full signature,
Lordship.
but the sign or the initial probably is all the same. Except of course, 13, you see, 13 of course little, of course it's darker. But since we are not expert,
No.
it's, of course, not wise to immediately come into the conclusion that it is not theirs. So just see it once again.
Lordship.
Okay.
If my learned friend's name may be kindly reflected in the order, Lordship.
Okay.
Rishabh J. For the petitioner. Lordship,
For the
we are appearing
petitioner.
together.
Oh, okay, Mr. Moazima and Mr. So and so, huh? Very good. No, assisted by, assisted by Mr. So and so, huh?
Not assisted, Lordship.
Yes, assisted by. Is it okay?
We are together, Lordship.
Okay, and Mr. Huh? Your good name?
Rishabh Jain, Lordship.
Okay, research. Okay, obliged.
Much obliged.
For admission, item number 5.
To the state as well as the private respondents, they have filed their respective affidavit, Lordship. I may be allowed 3 weeks' time to file reply to their affidavits.
Okay. Mr. Moazim, the counsel for
Petitioner.
the petitioner prays for further 3 weeks' time to file rejoinder to the affidavit filed by the state respondent
As well as the private
as
respondent.
well as the private respondent staff. Mr. Angami and Mr. Angami
For the state respondent.
State respondent. Okay, 1, 2, 4, and
Your Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of Miss Anongla LKR.
Miss so and so,
For
appearing on behalf of
Anongla LKR.
Anongla LKR,
For
correspondent number
five.
5. Are also present, stop. As prayed, list is matter after, as prayed for by the Nana Council for the petitioner, list is matter after 3 weeks.
Obliged.
Okay,
Much better.
For orders, item number 17.
May I please, Lordship?
yes,
Lordship, in this case, the petitioner is aggrieved by the action of the state respondent in appointing the respondent number 6, private respondent.
agreed by
Aggrieved by-
appointment of the respondent.
without conducting any selection process.
Okay.
That is the grievance, Your Worship. And the state respondent has filed an affidavit. And in all fairness, the state respondent also has not denied the fact that no regular selection process was conducted.
Okay.
That is the thing. Now, in fact, based on that, the petition could have been decided. But as per the last order, notice upon respondent number 6 is yet
Still awaited.
is still awaited, Your Worship.
Who is respondent number 6 is a private respondent
Private
who has been appointed.
Who's appointed, yes.
Okay, but his appearance, of course, is necessary.
Lordship, but now here, Your Lordship,
Hmm.
I've taken steps on 6/10/2023.
Okay.
It's more than 6 months now,
Oh,
and then Your Lordship has done this Page number 4, that is the address to which the notice has been sent. Page number 4 of my petition, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Page number 4, Your Lordship. Response number 6, the last. Sri Walang Konyak, MTS, multitasking staff, Office of the Principal Chief Conservator of Forest and Head of Forest Force, Nagaland.
Yes. The address is clear.
Your Lordship may kindly turn to page 18. This is the order by which he has been appointed in this office. Page 18, Annexure C, Your Lordship.
Yes.
May I, consequent upon approval of government such and such, the following is hereby appointed as MT in the office of the PCCF and HOF. So in the official address, it has been sent by registered post,
Right,
Your Lordship. And it is more than 6 months now. So if notice upon response number 6 may be deemed to have been complete, Your Lordship, so that the matter may be heard.
Let us see. No? Notice on the respondent by registered post waiting. Return service.
I have filed Talabana on 6/10/2023. Office.
So, second notice was issued.
No, second notice was not issued. It has been sent by registered post.
Only the first notice.
Yes, Lordship, in his official address.
Yes.
And it's
official
more than
address.
6 months now.
Now, it's been 6 months.
Yes.
Now, for ends of justice, why don't you take one more step, fresh step to ensure? Otherwise, you'll claim.
Your Lord,
Only once we have taken step.
or Your Lordship, the second registered post.
Right.
Okay.
Just fresh step.
Okay.
Because it's been 6 months.
Yes.
Probably it's maybe missed out.
Lordship.
But then say after second notice, if it doesn't come up or come back or return, we will treat it as notice served.
No.
Because now this result hasn't come back.
Lordship.
It is still awaited.
Lordship.
Okay. So. Okay, heard. Mr. T.V. Jamil, Direct Counsel for the petitioner. State is appearing? No.
The state has filed affidavit.
Okay. Who appeared earlier for state? Your presence will be recorded? No. Not required. Okay.
Yes.
Who prays for allowing him? Who submits that although a notice has been taken, although a step upon the respondent number 6 has been taken on 6/10/2023, the notice upon the said respondent is still awaited, and under the circumstances, he prays for allowing him to take fresh steps upon the respondent number 6. Stop. The step be taken by a registered post with AD within a week from today.
Lordship.
Stop. List this matter. Want to fix?
That will be after 4 weeks.
After, okay. List this matter after 4 weeks. Okay. It's okay, no? After 4 weeks.
No.
Okay. So that will be, of course, for ends of justice.
Lordship.
Otherwise, can be treated
Yes,
as per
and
the
Lordship,
CPC also.
state has already filed the affidavit.
Yes, it is there. It is there. It is on record.
Last order, Your Lordship, I've been given time to file reply. Last order.
Yes,
I
yes.
think so. I will not be filing any reply. So
Okay, no problem. Reply, praise allowed. Okay. So,
9/4.
okay. So,
It is.
Mr. T.V. Jamil, further submits that
He will not be. I will not be filing.
he will not be filing reply affidavit to the affidavit filed by the state respondent.
Lordship.
Okay.
Lordship.
Okay.
For orders, item number 18.
May I please, my lord?
Yes.
Lordship, in this matter, I am for the respondent number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7. Respondent number 6 is a private respondent, your lordship.
Okay.
I'll be needing 3 weeks time to file my counter affidavit. However, as far as the notice upon the respondent number 6 is completed or
Awaited.
not, that, yes, Your Lordship, that I'm not aware.
Yes, it's still awaited. Miss,
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of Supongwati.
okay.
He's on leave today, Lordship.
Hmm.
And Lordship, there is an interim, so it may
Appear on behalf, appear on behalf of Mr. Supamantik Wali, land counsel for the petitioner. Stop. Mr. Angami, land counsel, appearing on behalf of respondent number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7, prays for further 3 weeks' time to file affidavit in opposition. Stop. The service upon the respondent number 6 is still awaiting. Just a minute. The office note dated 3/11/2023. Sorry, 8/3/2024 reflect that the service upon the respondent number 6 is still awaited. It appears that the service upon respondent number 6 is still awaited since November. You take fresh step, it will be better.
Yes, my lord.
Okay,
Lordship.
just a minute. Leave that one. Now. In view of the office note dated 8/3, 3/11/2023 to 8/3/2024, the petitioner prays for allowing him to take fresh steps upon the respondent number 6. Stop. The step be taken upon the respondent number 6 by a registered post with AD within a week from today. Stop. As prayed, list this matter after 4 weeks then.
Lordship, there is an interim.
Stop. Para. The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date. Okay.
Obliged, Lordship.
Obliged.
Oh, 31st ko dulu orang ini. Jalo, 31st ni fix ko dulu. Ini 4 na. Ini 4 chili alam terus na ada na. Na, what 28? 28. 28. 28 ho to. 28 ni boleh ha? 28. 28 na. Yeah. Ini fix ko dulu. Jalo.